How to change folders, icon like this in Windows. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process, whether you are using Windows 10 or 11. All the process is same, just make sure to watch till the end. When we create a folder, by default it looks like this. To change its icon, right-click on it and go to its properties. Here in last tap on customization, then tap here on change icon. If you want to set custom icon from your device, then tap here on browser and choose that icon. Otherwise, choose any icon from here you like. Like I'm choosing this cross icon, so I will tap on it and will press OK. Press apply and finally press on OK. Our folder icon is successfully changed now. Make sure to like this video if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.